Hi, and thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I will show you how to create reusable alphanumeric custom tags in seconds. To do that, let's head over to our settings menu, select custom tags, and hit the add custom tag button to get started. Here, you can select an alphanumeric type, add a title to it. In my case, I will type marketing campaign type. And then once you're ready, you can proceed to clicking save. This means that your tag group has been created and is ready to accept some values. To do that, simply enter a value at a time, or you can also use our upload function to upload a CSV file and enter all of the values you plan to use for this tag group at once. Now that you're ready, hit save and your tag is ready to be used. Thank you for watching. Please like our video or email us with any questions that you have. This is Melina Mitova with CampaignTrackly, and I wish you a great day. Thank you.